My name's Clinton, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Clinton. In this episode, we'll be enjoying the scenery of Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve. Glacier Bay National Park is west of Juneau in southeast Alaska. You can only reach the park by boat or plane only. Glacier Bay National Park is comprised of 3.3 million acres of mountains, glaciers, and forests. This park is part of a 25 million acre World Heritage Site designated by UNESCO. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to Cooking with Clinton. Our next episode will be on Granville Island in Vancouver.